Hey guys, in this video we are breaking down the best wearable air conditioner, around your neck and on your wrist too. So, if you are looking for the best wearable AC or fan, here's something for you. We make this list based on our average research and personal opinion. If you want more information, you should check the links in description below. Okay, so, let's get started with the video.
If you feel like you're in here, when really you're here, or here, when you're actually here, you know that temperature is personal. That's why there's the Wave, the first personal thermostat. Just by changing the temperature on the inside of your wrist, the Wave's technology can make you feel better overall. It's like the feeling of holding a refreshingly chill glass of water, or hugging a warm cup of coffee when it's cool outside. The Wave activates a body and mind response, which changes how you perceive the temperature of your environment. Our patented temperature sensations come in waves, keeping your thermal senses active for consistent relief. You can personalize your experience with unique modes, perfect for improving comfort during your commute, or finding relief when you're stressed, or falling asleep at the perfect temperature. So wherever you go, don't sweat it. Own your temperature.
The Nordic neck fan is more powerful than what the pros used to use, yet it's lighter and lasts longer than anything before. There has never been anything like the Nordic neck fan. It has two fans that can be adjusted to any angle, a full 360 degrees, each in its own AeroZone enclosure, so it never gets tangled with your hair. With two cool blue LED lights that can be turned on or off while keeping cool. The Nordic neck fan is USB rechargeable for up to 8 hours of comfort. That'll get you through the day. And at night, the Nordic neck fan is your own personal comfort zone. You can have the breeze you want without disturbing your partner. The Nordic breakthrough is the Featherlight lithium-ion battery paired with the powerful dual super silent fans. The Nordic neck fan is perfect for sports, even jumping up and down. You don't feel the fan, only the breeze. You can wear the Nordic neck fan around your neck, or just place it down and position the blade to point anywhere. On family outings, sometimes you can't escape the heat and humidity unless you have the Nordic neck fan. Whether you're on the theme park rides or waiting online, the Nordic neck fan transforms your vacation experience. The whole family can use the Nordic neck fan because it's adjustable. It fits securely around any neck. The powerful motors can be set to low, medium, and high, and they stay super silent with two cool blue LED lights for each fan, providing you enough light to move room to room in the dark. Now, feel up to 25 degrees cooler anywhere with the Nordic neck fan.
The lightweight hands-free portable neck fan that will keep you cool and comfortable on the go, so you can stay refreshed anywhere, wherever you are. Chillmax's powerful dual fans rotate 360 degrees, and its flexible design can be easily adjusted to the perfect cooling angle. Just place it around your neck and turn it on for cool, calming comfort wherever you need it. Working out of the garden can leave you hot and uncomfortable, and there's nowhere to hide from the heat. But Chillmax neck fan helps you beat the heat when you need to do the chores outdoors. It's also great to use indoors, so you can keep yourself cool and comfortable around the home. Choose from 3 refreshing speed settings to keep you cool in any situation. Press once for a soft, relaxing breeze, or turn up the speed for extra cooling power to help tackle the sweltering heat. Chillmax neck fan is USB rechargeable, so you can power up from any USB outlet for hours of cooling charge, making it great for when you're out and about. Refreshing summer picnics. Keep you cool while you keep fit, or when you're working from home. Chillmax neck fan is lightweight and portable, so you can take it with you on your holidays, meaning you can chill out by the pool in total cooling comfort. And the flexible rubber design means you can even turn Chillmax neck fan into a standalone fan, making it ideal for when lying in bed. And the built-in LED lights mean you can add a touch of illumination whenever you need it.